In the manufacturing sector, companies face constant pressure to enhance efficiency. How will this change occur? The answer lies in the Internet of Things, which is proving to be a game changer. And according to renowned futurist Ray Kurzweil, we are living through one of the most exciting and disruptive eras in human history. The pace of technological change is no longer linear. It's exponential, and the signs are everywhere. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and those who adapt will thrive. For manufacturers, embracing this revolution isn't optional. It's essential. It's like you're driving down the street on your way to work, and you're utilizing your car's navigation system to get turn-by-turn directions to save your travel time. Your automobile communicates with sensors placed in the environment, which alert it to the presence of other cars, bikers, and even a person crossing the street 2 blocks ahead. Your vehicle is also in continual touch with the city's traffic system. All of these sensors work together to provide you with a seamless travel experience, reducing things that bother you and directing you to the optimum route, free of red lights and other delays. Doesn't that sound nice? But to be clear, it isn't all about you. The Internet of Things will enter businesses such as manufacturing and shipping, making them more adaptable and responsive, while enhancing efficiency. Increased efficiency leads to cheaper expenses. It's a great vision for the future. To get there, scientists, engineers, and researchers will have to overcome significant difficulties. There are only so many wireless frequencies we can use, and you may reach capacity in any given area. Smart sensor systems in real-world applications provide one of the data sources used by the algorithms. For example, in the healthcare industry, data generated by smart sensors can assist medical staff identify crucial situations faster and more correctly, as well as provide patients with more information about their ailments and improvements. The data, together with the devices themselves, are forming the Internet of Medical Things, a sophisticated health tech ecosystem that will pave the way for new technologies like medical kiosks. Future medicine is projected to be data-driven and therefore highly individualized. But that's not all. Kurzweil claims that we can scale the devices down to a few billionths of a meter. He expects that, by the end of the decade, cell-sized nanobots will be embedded in our brains, connecting us to the internet. No more unexpected downtime with predictive maintenance. Are you aware of the costs associated with unscheduled downtime? The machines on your factory floor are equipped with Internet of Things, IoT devices that monitor various data points, including utilization, uptime, quality, energy consumption, part inventories, and a record of system disturbances. If something goes wrong or begins to go wrong, the guys at the center receive an instant signal. Using historical data, the IoT-enabled predictive maintenance system will also inform you when a part is approaching the end of its useful life and should be replaced. It can also tell you when, if, and how the quality of output is deteriorating, or when a machine is using more resources than intended, such as power and water. Because all of your machines are equipped with this identical technology, your parts inventory is just like Goldilocks' fairy tale outcome. It's just right. You have the things you need when you need them, but you aren't wasting valuable space by holding items you won't need in the near future. Eyes you didn't know you needed. Machine learning, a subtype of artificial intelligence, AI, is the technology that enables maintenance forecasts. One strategy to maximize the use of IoT and machine learning in manufacturing is to create a digital twin. A digital twin is used for complicated intelligent simulations that leverage your machine's previous behavior and current state to forecast their future behavior. Predicting future behavior via this channel reduces catastrophic interruption and overall maintenance costs, while increasing production efficiency. Digital twins can also help with design, employee training, and workplace safety, particularly when paired with other technologies like virtual and augmented reality. Workers can use Machine Metrics IoT solutions to provide human feedback that will be analyzed alongside the rest of the data. Touchscreens on factory floor gear allow operators to provide human context to machine data, bridging the gap between job functions and providing greater insight into a variety of previously undiagnosed difficulties. By giving manufacturing workers a voice, the firm can move forward as a whole, with investment at all levels. In the same spirit, well-maintained equipment means staff are safer at work and have fewer unexpected absences. Factors like these can contribute to a positive business culture, reducing sick days, increasing productivity on the job, and lowering churn and training costs, all of which are big concerns for many manufacturing companies. When it comes to breaking down your company's bottlenecks, the benefits of IoT are unparalleled. When paired with machine learning on an intelligent platform, you'll quickly see how precise, historical data from industrial IoT sensors may provide meaningful insight into where improvements can be made. It can show you the measures to take for the best results, while also providing real-time optimization information. IoT lowers costs by prioritizing and mitigating the impact of productivity bottlenecks through process optimization and analysis, as well as conditional analysis to ensure that humans and machines work in perfect harmony. The saving machine for big industries. No system has ever been perfect. However, the more accurate your data and the longer the history of data, the more likely your projections will be correct. How does this affect your company? IoT saves money by lowering worker safety and machine malfunction risks. When you know ahead of time what is harmful or what can break, you can solve the problem before it affects you. When employing a digital twin, IoT allows you to look at your manufacturing floor and the processes that drive it and ask, what if we modified this? What if we bought another one of these machines, adjusted the production schedule, or used this machine more frequently? It can help you estimate how your changes will affect your business's effectiveness before you adopt them, saving you time and money. It can even tell you which things will save you the most money, or increase revenue, or reduce energy use. Industrial IoT platforms allow you to view your data in a simple, human-readable, actionable format. They deliver in-depth but well-organized information. Easy reporting and color-coded dashboards make it easy to evaluate where you stand and where you can improve. Beyond the day-to-day what-ifs, IoT can help you answer the big questions. What if we needed to pivot quickly? Could our machinery handle it? If we were presented with a huge order tomorrow, what level of output could we reasonably sustain, and over what time period? Those who keep their eyes open to the information available to them will find opportunities. IoT gives your firm agility in the face of adversity. It gives stability during periods of quiet. It provides you with the information you need to plan your next step. Whatever. Flexibility and resilience stem from knowing where you are and where you've come from, since this allows you to predict where your business's future will take you. Companies are discovering the possibilities for cost savings and profit through the use of IoT. Although the initial cost of deploying the technology is high, long-term savings can be realized. IoT saves over 12% on maintenance and reduces breakdowns by over 70%. It saves money on both equipment and manpower. IoT frees staff from many hours of manual checks by offering full control, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. IoT enables firms to better plan, allowing them to serve customers faster and more effectively. Additionally, expenditures can be avoided by using controls for predictive maintenance. Also, there's a booming industry of fully driverless cars, once only seen in science fiction, are now being tested on public roads, with the first commercially accessible autonomous vehicles expected to hit the road within the next 1 to 2 years. AutoX, a self-driving car technology startup financed by Alibaba, is another business looking to revolutionize autonomous driving. According to AutoX's CEO and creator, Xiaojun Qiang, aka Professor X, the pandemic has helped our society realize the need for self-driving automobiles in instances like this. Robo-taxis, with their self-disinfecting capabilities and driverless logistics, could save many lives. The agriculture business is likewise undergoing a fourth revolution, fueled by the rapidly rising use of digital technology. This industry has undergone numerous revolutions, including the domestication of animals and plants a few thousand years ago, the systematic use of crop rotations and other improvements in farming practice a few hundred years ago, and the Green Revolution, which included systematic breeding and widespread use of man-made fertilizers and pesticides a few decades ago. As the world's population grows to 9 billion by 2050, demand for agricultural products, food, fiber, and fodder will skyrocket. Several smart technologies can be used and scaled up to increase yields and fulfill rising food production demands. Farmers may monitor field conditions from anywhere using IoT sensors for light, humidity, temperature, soil moisture, crop health, and other parameters. They can also use intelligent drones to track normal crop health activities and quickly evaluate large volumes of data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. We'll see you in the next video.